LCD display is easy to read. Sturdy and durable. High impact resistance. High conductivity copper plate. Flame retardant engineering plastics. Insert into power socket. Connect the temperature probe. Put it into the test sample. Temperature range 41 to 0. External temperature detector. Timer mode FO1 FO4. Temperature control settings. Set maximum temperature. Set minimum temperature. Plug in the heater plug. When reaching the lowest temperature, it will be powered on for heating. When reaching the highest temperature, it will cut off power and stop heating. Appearance adopts new PC flame retardant materials. Through security testing, safe and reliable.